Today I show you the cheapest USB cable extension that I could find so far. I found it in Leroy Merlin and it was less than €2. And it's a simple USB extension. It's not USB 3, it's USB 2, the old style. Nothing really fancy about this. But if you need to extend a printer cable or any kind of USB 2.0 peripherals, this would be pretty good. So yeah, for example, here you have, on this box, you have information about multiple products because they made the package, this bag, for all of them. So there's not much to really talk about here. This is the USB 2.0. So it's 480 megabytes per second. Okay, so is it USB 3 or 2? I don't understand. It just lists the USB standards. It doesn't say which one it is. Here it says here, so USB 2.0, 1.8 meter. Yeah. And that's the cable. That's the cable. There is nothing more in the bag. All you need really is the cable when you buy something like this. That's what you buy it for. So I want to see. This might be useful for a few things around. I made a few USB cable extensions. It's very easy to make a cable like this. And actually it doesn't feel bad at all. The quality of it. Let's smell it. Yeah, smells weird. Smells like this shouldn't belong out of a factory. It's very smooth and shiny. I like that. It smells like beach toys, like those rubber toys. There is some kind of information about the manufacturer. It's mostly rebranded products, these ones. So it plugs in. That's pretty good. This is soft. The cable strain relief seems like it's good. So maybe this is actually a good cable. I will use it. I will need it for some things here to extend the power cables, but not. They had a longer version of this, but 1.8 meters is enough to make a USB cable longer. Thanks for watching.